Hello and welcome to the installation guide for Mac for the Currency Strength Index from Hunta. Before we start, simply open up two Finder windows, one with the application that you downloaded from Hunta, and the second your application folder with your MT4 client from the broker. Simply go to the application, right click, show package contents, drive C, program files, MT4, and go to indicators. Then simply drag across from the Hunta download from your indicators folder into your applications folder. Now go back up to tree, to templates, go to templates folder in Hunta, and again simply drag and drop. Then simply restart MT4. And now you can simply open any chart, go to templates, Hunta CSI, and there we go. Thanks for listening. For more information, visit our website www.hunta.io.